Polymers derived from Greek word poly means many and mers mean meros units. So polymers are substance of higher molecular mass formed by combination of large number of simple molecules called monomers by the chemical bond. The process by which monomers are converted into polymer is called polymerization. For example, ethylene. Many number of ethylene molecule under some condition undergo polymerization to give polythene. Polymers are macromolecules. So polymers are also called macromolecule because of their large size. A molecule, macromolecules may or may not contain monomer unit. For example, chlorophyll formula carbon 55, hydrogen 72, oxygen 5, nitrogen 2 and magnesium. Macromolecules, chlorophyll is a macromolecule but not a polymer because there is no monomer unit present in it. Polythene is a polymer. Proteins are polymers and macromolecules because in proteins the monomer unit is amino acid and it is a large molecule. So it is also a macromolecule and a polymer. So all polymers are macromolecules but all macromolecules are not polymer. Polymers are classified into 4 categories. First classification based upon source of origin, second based upon structure, third mode of synthesis, and fourth classification based upon nature of molecular forces. First classification based upon source of origin. So on the base of source of origin, polymers classified into 2 categories, natural polymer and synthetic polymers. Polymers occur in nature, mostly present in plants and animals, are called natural polymers. For example, starch, cellulose, protein, rubber, DNA, RNA. These are natural polymers. Synthetic polymers, polymer which are prepared in laboratory, are called synthetic polymer or also called man-made polymers. Example, polyvinyl chloride, nylon, bakelite, terylene, etc. Classification based upon structure. On the based upon structure, polymers are classified into 3 categories: linear chain polymer, branch chain polymer, and cross-linked polymers. Linear chain polymers. Here the monomer units are linked to one another to form long linear chain. These linear chains are placed one above another and closely packed in space. Close packing result in high density, tensile strength and also high melting and boiling point. High density polythene is a common example of linear chain polymers. For example, nylon, polyester, PVC, these are linear chain polymers. Next, branch chain polymers. The monomer units are linked to form long chains which have also side chains or branched chain of different lengths attached to them. As a result of branching, the polymers are not closely packed in space. General properties of branch chain polymers: low density, low tensile strength, as well as low melting and boiling point. For example, starch, glycogen, amylopectin. Cross-linked polymers. These are also called network polymers. The monomer units are linked together to form three-dimensional network. These are quite hard, rigid, brittle. Examples are bakelite, glypetal, formaldehyde polymer. Classification based upon mode of synthesis. On the mode of synthesis, classification is on two ways: addition and condensation polymers. Addition polymers, when monomer units are added to form long chain without elimination of any byproduct molecule, is formed addition polymers. If all monomer units are identical, then molecule or the polymer is called homopolymer. For example, ethylene molecule undergo polymerization to give polythene. तो यहाँ सारा एक ही यूनिट से ये मिलके बने हैं इथाइलिन यूनिट से, तो मोनोमर यूनिट यहाँ इथाइलिन ही रहेगा. जैसे प्रोपाइलिन है, पॉलीमराइजेशन टू गिव पॉलीप्रोपाइलिन. स्टायरीन अंडरगो पॉलीमराइजेशन टू गिव पॉलीस्टायरीन. इन सभी में मोनोमर यूनिट एक ही है, तो इसे हम होमोपॉलीमर्स भी कहते हैं. Condensation polymers. Monomers react together with elimination of simple molecules like water, alcohol, ammonia, etc. Reaction is called condensation polymerization, and the molecule is formed by this reaction is called condensation polymer. For example, nylon 66, hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid with elimination of H2O molecule condensed to give nylon 66 polymer.